Michael Fougere. So the president actually has a few words before we honor.
What we are about to do here is very important. So I need everybody to pay a little bit of attention. I just want to say a couple of words about why we are recognizing each person. Knowing that your time is precious, I will keep it just 2 sentences, okay? I will try. The first person we are recognizing tonight is His Worship Mayor Michael Fougere. And what has he done? First of all, if you remember, some of you here, you will remember 2012, the year 2012, a son of the Igbo, Dr. Okochi, was running to be the mayor of Regina. And some of us were in the trenches fighting that fight. But fortunately, and also progressively, Dr. Okochi lost that fight to His Worship Mayor Michael Fougere. So when he beat our man, he showed full sportsmanship. Ever since then, every time we've invited him to come to the community for one reason or the other, he showed up. He's been there with us since then. The second thing that he did, if you look at Regina today, from 2012 till now, the number of Igbo people in Regina has increased, thanks to favorable policies and sensible immigrant-friendly policies that enables that to happen. The third thing that he did, he became the first official to give a proclamation of Igbo Day of Arts and Culture in the whole of Canada. The Council of Elders looked at all these 3 things and a few other things and said that we should honor him today as a friend of Igbo. So, Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Honor. So the question is, do you guys agree that we should honor him? All right.
Please, a big round of applause, please, for His Worship Mayor Michael Fougere. Doesn't he look much better? And then, Jenny, we forgot, we need to give him an Igbo name too. Thank you.
All right.